Hello my friends, this is Jose from LuoVita. Today I'm going to talk about how to use creativity and imagination to manifest a better life. So one of the ways to improve life is to harness this power of our imagination and creativity. You can use this creativity to manifest a better life by writing, for example, in your journal. You can find a muse and believing in the power of what you see. So you can also read to explore more of this idea. So writing in a journal can help you manifest your goals. It can help you discover these limiting beliefs and help you attract what you want. Depending on the approach you use, you may be able to write specific desires to achieve your goals. You can even write this gratitude prayer to the universe. The case to using is writing these goals and make sure that you put yourself in this right state of mind. So these negative feelings, for example, tend to attract similar situation and experience. We don't want to have that, right? So you can find these positive feelings and attract these positive outcomes. You can also write a prayer to the universe, as I said before, to stay aligned with it. When you write something in your journal, remember to think about how you would feel when you have achieved it. What are your feelings? By doing this, you will align this vibration with your goal, and this will help to manifest this desire. Manifestation works with this law of attraction, which states that energy flows with attention, and where attention is directed, like a GPS, like this flow. By writing down your goals in a journal, you will be more open to these positive outcomes and break your anxious spiral, right? Manifesting is a powerful technique, and a manifestation journal can help you to turn your dreams into reality. Always remember to take action. So during the visualization process, you need to get creative. Go wild with your imagination and think about a positive experience. Write about what you want to experience and how happy you will feel when you have it. Write for at least 5 to 10 minutes a day, so that you allow this flow. Write about your goals, and this is a great way to focus your imagination and creativity on that. You can write about your desired outcomes, and then you can imagine yourself achieving this goal. You will align yourself with this vibration and will become inspired to make it happen. You can also find a muse, and this is to have this inner desire and creativity. A muse is often seen as a female, but it's just this concept, and she inspires, for example, artistic passion. But this passion is manifested in poetry, art, music, everything. Your muse can manifest itself in anything. An object, an emotional, inspiring, something that inspires you. It may even give you this flow. So your muse could even be something that's frightening, but whatever your muse is, this object, this inspiration, you need to be willing to explore it and find it. So the concept of the muse comes from the Greek mythology, and it always inspired in this creation and by this external muse. So in this case, the muse is a song. It could be a song, a daily routine, or even some daily activity. The key is to train your mind to develop this regular writing routine and creativity. So having this routine will help you focus and increase your creativity, and should also make some research. Research, study the techniques and methods that are used by some people to have this insight, this inspiration. Finding beliefs that will help you manifest your life. Okay, you can create this better life. Believe me, you can. Everybody can. You can create by finding these beliefs that support your dreams. You need to understand this. That's a manifestation, and it's a process. It's not about visualization like we think of it. It's a process. Then you have to put an effort to achieve these goals. For example, if you want a new car, you must put in the work to earn it. So that means you must take action. It's a process, right? Visualization is the first thing. So this manifestation is a powerful process that helps you in every area of your life. It allows you to become the best version of yourself and embody your ideal persona, your ideal you, yourself, right? And it allows you to tap in this unlimited belief and potential. By using your belief, you can create a better life and be the best version of yourself. So when it comes to manifestation, you need to understand your inner workings, this law of attraction. You also need to be deliberate with your energy, with your time, with your habits. The more you put into your intention, the more likely is it to become a reality. So once you understand how this works, you will be able to make the necessary changes, to manifest your dreams. And remember, you need always to take action. So I hope this was really insightful, that it helped you to see things differently. And I invite you to really explore the description below. You have links, you have our newsletter, blog newsletter at LuoVita. Subscribe to it. You receive once per week guidance and ideas, and this will help you to see these opportunities and to change where you need to change, where you want to change. So take action, and don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.